Let's head over to Google, type in SQL Server 2014 or whatever. Let's change our search actually to SQL Server 2014 download ISO. The first one, this is the URL, Microsoft.com/engb eval center. Right click on it and open a new tab. So when you click on that new tab, this is kind of what it looks like right here. It's Evaluation Center. So we're going to scroll down until we have the SQL Server 2014 Service Pack 2. Click on ISO. We're going to click Continue.
So let's double click on the actual file. Okay, we're going to start by clicking on Installation and New SQL Server Standalone Installation. Okay, we're going to see where SQL Server is set up. We're just going to push Next. We're not going to do the update check. Okay, it's going to run through its setup file. You'll notice that we already have a installation here of Commvault, the server already. So we're going to do a new installation of 2014 server. Actually, push Next. We're going to do the free. We're going to specify the free edition. Next. So we're going to do the accept the license terms, and we're not going to turn on the customer experience though. So we're going to click accept the license terms and click Next. Okay, we're going to install all the features. Actually, we're going to select all. So we're going to select all and then push Next. So we're going to create a name instance called Commvault SQL DB. And then when you push Tab or click another thing, it should put it in there. Well, maybe when we push Next. Yeah, there you go. So we're going to push Next out of that. We're into the next one. Okay, we're going to change the SQL agent to automatic. And the distributed replay, we're going to leave those in manual. That way they don't start, actually. These two right here. This one and that one. Yeah, these two, we're going to set those, leave those in manual. And we're going to push Next. Here's where you actually put in a critical piece. Change this to mixed mode. The reason you change to mixed mode is so you can access it via local admin or a domain admin, basically, or a network account. So we're going to add the current user and we're going to add domain admin. So we just put those domain admin and our local admin in there. Let's push Next. So we're going to just add the current user. Okay, push Next. We're going to install the reporting native, just get it installed only, not configured, and then install only the SharePoint module. And push Next. Okay, distributed relay controller. We're going to just add the current user and Next. So we're going to leave the controller group name as blank and then push Next. Okay, so we're ready to install SQL Server. We'll just highlight, just take a look at the configuration path, and we'll just click on Install. Okay, as you can see, everything has been installed successfully. So we're looking for the SQL Server Manager Studio, right? Yeah, that one right there, I think. Yeah, right, let's click on that. So we're going to click on Connect, and this will allow us to go into the database, or to see it, if you will. Who can log in? See this essay right here? This is very important, by the way. Whenever you install SQL, like I said, you're not going to know the username for your default admin, right? But it's SA is the username, by the way. So just so you know, if you need to log into it, if you ever get locked out, that's what you know. So it's the password you set up, and then SA is the username that you would log in as. So let's do this. Let's right click on it, and we're going to set the memory. I'm going to lower the memory down to a lot. So as you can see, right, maximum allowed, so minimum server memory is 0 meg. Maximum server memory is a bunch, a lot. So I'm going to do 128 meg is what I'm going to do, other memory options. So I'm gonna leave that like that. But that's critical right here. If you have a SQL server that's just like, why is it so slow, man? You know, if you're not running a lot of stuff on it, well, we aren't. It's a development environment, so yeah, we'll just limit it so it doesn't go crazy. So that's it. That concludes this tutorial on how to set up SQL Server in preparation for a SQL agent on Commvault.